Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to Get Gizmo. Friends, in this video we will draw another shape of AutoCAD practice series for the beginner students. So let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, we have this shape and we are going to draw this in AutoCAD. So let's start it. We have the diameter of this outer circle 46 units and the inner circle have the diameter of 41 units. So we draw it. Now we draw our circles, and for that type C and enter and give the diameter 46 units. Now we draw inner circle which have the diameter of 41 units. We draw lines like this and change the layer. 0.2 units line type scale, and we draw another circle which have the radius of 10 units. We draw a polygon here, and for that type POL for polygon. 6 sides. Select the center point and select this point. So in this way we draw our polygon. Now we make a line on 30 degree, and for that 20.5 press tab and give the angle 30 degree. Now we make the offset 1 unit on up and down side. Now we make the offset like this and change the properties like this. So we are going to make this line. With the break at point tool, we delete the extra line. Select the break tool, select the line and click it. Like this. Now we mirror it also. First we extend it, EX double enter, and get the offset 1 unit like this. And now we mirror it, and for that type MI and enter and click on no. Now trim the extra line like this. So in this way we draw our lines. Now we see the shape and we draw a circle radius of 5 units. Draw a circle 5 units. And trim these lines. Also we need to trim this circle like this and delete it. We array the circle, get the center point and enter 5 items. We have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 items, so we increase the number of items 6 here like this and trim this. Like this. Trim the inner circle. TR double enter. So in this way our shape is ready. Now we hatch it, and for that type H and enter. And hatch it and click on close hatch creation. We use hatch to fill this and click on close hatch creation. So guys, in this way we create this shape. I hope you like this video. If you have any question related to AutoCAD, then please contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.